All right, so I got some explaining to do about this right here. Check it out. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. It's been about 6 or 7 months since I've uploaded, and it's been a long time, but I have a lot of explaining to do about this car. Where do I begin? Because there's just so much to tell, so much to look at, so many different parts now on the car that weren't before. Obviously, the main difference is pretty big turbo here that wasn't here before. Basically, I got a long story to tell you guys, so stay tuned. I'm about to upload a whole series on this car. Huge thank you to Kevin for, letting me have this opportunity to work on his baby right here and make his dream a reality. To start off, we basically did a single turbo conversion on this BMW, along with some other parts and suspension pieces that we did. What can I say, man? It's just been a crazy ride. So we have a lot of stuff coming for this car, you guys. Stay tuned. Let's just begin the show. Here's the main things that we did to the car as of right now. We upgraded the intercooler, we changed the piping on it, we changed the downpipe, changed part of the exhaust, upgraded to the single turbo kit. We did the wastegates, ran the lines. We just did a bunch of stuff to the car. We as well did some M3 components in the suspension, brand new bumper, new fender, new hood. It's a long process that we went through to get this car to where it's at right now. It has not been easy the last 6 months, like I've said. I don't know what to do about this. I think I'm gonna make it into like a big video or into a couple of videos. Let me know what you guys think. But for now, I'm just gonna keep you guys updated on what I've been working on. Like I said, we did the single turbo. There's a bunch of content that's about to be released. We're aiming for huge horsepower goals with this car. We don't know yet what she's gonna make. We're still tweaking down the little bits and pieces that are wrong with it. But for now, she does run. It is drivable. It'll take you to point A to point B, no problem. This is basically dialing in the tune. Making sure the components are all right, no leaks, no little things that we might have to replace down the way. But as of right now, she's pretty mint, guys. Pretty mint, not bad for working in a house garage. Like you can see right here, there's really nothing special about this garage. The car is ready to go. Can't believe it's finally here. It's just crazy. It took all this time and money, and it's here. So I'm gonna end the video right here for now. So stay tuned. Like I said, I don't have that much info right now. I'm sorry it's a short video. I just wanted to put something out there so you guys know I'm still here. I'm still working in the garage. There's a lot of stuff that's coming out, a lot of stuff that needs to be edited, as well as a couple buttoning down pieces that we need to do towards the car to make sure it's 100%. And go from there. It's all just gonna get better from here. We have to get it fully tuned. Right now it's on a consecutive tune. Nothing too crazy. It's probably maybe 500-ish at the wheel, my guess. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you guys think about it. It's just amazing to me that it's finally done. So don't forget, leave a like, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned.